All right. Greetings and welcome to my channel. I hope all is doing well. We are her. We are humbled. We are elegant. We are radiant. That's who we are. I have to have. I'm very particular in regards to the type of boots that I wear. I'm small framed, so you know my ankles are small, so I'm not trying to be walking around here with loose boots. So let's just jump right into this video so we can do this unboxing together. So here is the box. I'm not trying to cut my hand down. I don't want to be walking around here with band-aids all over my fingers trying to open up a box. It's not worth it. Not for no ankle booties. All right, all right. Here we go, here we go. No, here we don't go. We're not quite there. Oh, box almost fell. All right, all right. Here is my card. I appreciate them too. I mean, they could at least pack the box a little bit nicer than this. All right, all right. Here is the all right, the grand reveal. That's my drum roll. Ooh. All right, all right. Okay. One dust bag. I would prefer two next time. So much easier to work with versus one. Ooh. Turn around. Look. You don't have to worry about no loose boots. Perfect to the ankle. Look at the pointiness of the toe. You gotta love a good shoe. You gotta love a good sale while we're at it. Look at the shoe. I tell you, like, this was on my wish list. So once again, I had to wait for the perfect time to get this shoe. It also has a zipper. If I can get the zipper down, let's take this out. How much paper they gonna put in here? Oh, let's get the other one. So I wear a size 7. I can't have it no other way. Size 7 rule. You may think differently, but a size 7 is everything. Look at the shoes. They are the perfect modest booty. It's also, it has a kitten heel, easy to maneuver in. So this will be one of the modest shoes that I'll probably showcase later on. or not even a shoe, it's a booty. But look at it. Too cute. They falling all over the place. Look at these babies right here. What you think? You like? Well, you like it not. They still cute though. I like them. So I just wanted to show you, well, I wanted to actually bring you on this journey with me as I unbox. I was actually thinking about getting the black pair. We will see, because I just went on the website. And you know what? The price just went down. Maybe I should have waited to get the boots, because I mean that was an extra sale on top of a sale. I love a good deal. But I will let you know if I get the black. But these right here, I cannot wait to style. They're the perfect length for the heel. It's good for my ankles. I don't have to worry about pulling the boots up, depending on the type of boots. And there you have it right here. I think everyone should have a pair of boots. Not ankle crop boots, but just a pair. This would be a great essential of a boot to have in your closet. These are the Snake and Roast faux leather polyester cropped ankle boots. I'm actually about to go on the website again to see if I can get the black ones. I know I just couldn't buy one, but I'm glad that you was able to be on this journey with me as I unboxed my booties. So, but I look forward to having you on this modesty journey, this life journey with me. Peace.